My name is Borja, and I have been following Heroic for over a year now. I came across one of Ryan's videos. I started following the community. I downloaded the app. That's when the magic happened. Not just when I learned it, but when I put it into practice. I felt, more energy. I started to enjoy things that before I just saw in a negative light. And that's when I decided I want to take this a step further. I want to become also a heroic coach, and I want to really get involved in the community. The workshop, it was great because we were able to connect with our trainers and coaches that have been with Heroic for a long time, and they live and breathe Heroic. It's not just people that have learned some concepts and then they are sharing it. It's people that you can see that they live by this mission, and that Heroic has truly inspired them and transformed them. So we had the chance to not just transform ourselves, but also teach it to other people and get that practice, get confident. The whole weekend there were tears, there were loves, there were hugs. You could really feel the love, and I had never connected with people in such a strong way in such a short amount of time. So it was really special because you could see how much passion everyone had, how motivated they were, and also how we were in this together, how excited we were to help each other. We were all sharing our dreams, we were all sharing what we were planning on doing with all these heroic values and with the heroic principles. And it was also very inspirational for me because I come here, I'm at the beginning of my career, and I've been able to connect with people that are ahead of me on my journey. And that's truly inspirational because I can see, in a tangible way, all the impact that Heroic can have. It's the first time in my life I do something like this. All my family thought I was crazy, but now that they have seen the impact this has had on me, they are convinced it was the best decision. And I'm also really happy I did it because I thought it would be a once in a lifetime opportunity, and it has really been.